What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to change a fuel pump on a Acura Integra. And the first step is to disconnect the positive terminal on the battery. So to start, you remove the seats, the top portion and then the bottom portion, and then you remove this little cover. There's 3 little Phillips head screws. Pop this off. Then you disconnect this electrical connector from right here. Then you disconnect the fuel line, and then you disconnect the return line. This is just a hose clamp, and then you pull it back. This one's a 17 millimeter, and be careful because there's 2 washers. One goes on the bottom and one goes at the top. And then after that, you just remove the little 10 millimeter nuts. There's 8 of them around, and let me remove them and then I'll show you what's next. After you remove them, you just pull the whole assembly up. And after you remove that assembly, you just pull the pump out. You disconnect that connector right here. You pull this green tab up like that. Just put a flathead right here and push it up like that, and then just disconnect this black connector. Like that. And then you pull the fuel pump out. Like that. After that, you just remove this hose clamp right here. Move it this way. Take the hose off. Pull the fuel pump out and put your brand new fuel pump back in exactly how you took that one out. Or if you got a whole assembly, instead of removing all this, you just put the brand new assembly back in the fuel tank and put the nuts in. Connect this wire. Well, first connect the return line, the fuel feed, and then this wire with the cover and the 3 Phillips head screws that go on the top. It should look like this. And then you just grab the new pump, put the hose back in, put the clamp back on like that. You can push it back in. Should look like this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, that's why I didn't record, but you just push it down, kind of fix the gasket into place, and then connect this black connector back in, black plug. Put the little green thing on. I didn't have it on the right the first time, so it should look like this. The green tab goes like that in the back side, and then this tab goes in right there, and that's to prevent the fuel pump from getting disconnected, because even when you have this green tab on there, if you press the black button right here to unplug it, it won't unplug anymore. So after you have your pump right here, you just put in the whole assembly back. hoses out the way, drop it into place, put the 10mm nuts back. And then start connecting your fuel lines. And then put this back on. Put a little washer in the bottom. Put this bolt back on with the washer on top. Connect this plug back in. A little plastic cover on top. Put the cover back on. And put the little bolts back on. And that's it. It should be ready.